Hi there, I'm Roshan and welcome to Programming Portal. In this tutorial, you will learn how to get the IP address and hostname of a system in Java. Java has a very vast networking API. We use inet address class of java.net package here. Inet address class represents an IP address and provides multiple methods for it. In this video, we'll first create an inet address object using getLocalHost method. Then we'll print IP address and hostname of a system. You will also learn about getByName method, which is similar to getLocalHost, and we'll try to find the IP address of website google.com. So let's get started. First we'll import inet address from java.net package. So we can write import java.net.inet address. Then we have to create an inet address object using getLocalHost method. So we can write inet address. Let's give name as myIP equals to inet address dot getLocalHost. As you can see, this method will throw an exception. So we have to write try catch block. So I can write try catch exception. So we can write some message system.out.println get message. This will throw unknown host exception. You can import the class from java.net package if you want a specific exception, or you can simply write exception here. This object will represent the IP address with its corresponding host name. We can see it by printing the object. So we can write system.out.print myIP. So this object will hold both IP and hostname. Next is to print IP address and hostname separately. So we can print system.out.print. To get the hostname, we'll call the getHostname method. So I can write myIP dot getHostname. So this will print the hostname. Same way I can get the IP address. So I can just copy this, and instead of get hostname, I can write get host address. That's it. First we need to create the object using getLocalHost method. This object will hold both IP and hostname. To print the hostname, we can use getHostname method, and for the IP we can call getHostAddress. Let me save and try to run. As you can see, first I am printing my IP object. So it is containing both IP and hostname. Second is hostname, and third is IP address. I can show you the hostname IP address. So I can open command prompt and I can write hostname. So this is my hostname, and for IP address I can write ipconfig. So 192.168.0.101. This is my IP address and this is my hostname. Next we will find the IP address of the Google website using getByName method. If you are having hostname, you can use getByName method. We just have to pass the hostname as a parameter, and it will also return us with the object, and details can be printed. So let me try to print the detail of google.com. So I am going to save and try to rerun. As you can see, it is printing google.com and its public IP address. I hope you have learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.